This is Sisu Valley.
सुपर है।
वहाँ पे 40 डिग्री 41 डिग्री है, यहाँ पे 1 डिग्री है. The temperature difference.
ये सुविधाएं हुई है हमारे रोहतांग टनल के बाद। जब बाया रोहतांग पास होके आते थे तब तो पूछो मत।
खाने का वो सब कैसा होता है?
स्टॉक करते थे 6 मंथ के लिए विंटर्स में, खासकर अक्टूबर।
अच्छा
6 मंथ के लिए स्टॉक सारा।
अच्छा. Hi guys, welcome to another trip. Today we are leaving Manali and going towards Keelong. So I was able to finally set up the DJ wireless mic, and now I can put the camera on the bike as well. So I'm 2 hours 30 minutes away. It's around 70 kilometers from here. So I'm leaving old Manali now, and I would go towards Atal Tunnel, then take a left from there. I didn't do any maintenance on the bike. I had a toothbrush. I used that toothbrush to clean the chain and use some gear oil to lube it. I'm hoping for now it is good enough. And I don't have any noises coming from the bike as of now. When I went to Hamta Pass, it was sounding terribly with squeaking noises, and the motor torque saddle stay support that got loose. All of this sounds actually scared me. So I took my toolkit and took all the Allen keys and started tightening everything. But only the saddle stay got loose, everything else is perfect. Then I've adjusted the preload on the rear suspension. It makes a lot of difference, guys. I had zero understanding of how it works and all of that. So I did some Gemini reading and found out Hooke's law, where force equals the constant of the spring times the distance it is moving. I did all of that research, and I understood that adjusting the spring preload doesn't make the spring stiffer or any of that, because it is a physical property of the spring that you cannot change. So that's not how it works. If you set the preload, it makes the spring a little loaded, and when you sit with your luggage and everything, it prevents the bike from going all the way down. So if you don't do that adjustment and leave it in zero, then the bike would with your weight and the luggage and with pillion and all of that, it would get closer to the ground a little because of the weight, and it would be difficult. If you adjust that perfectly, then it makes a lot of difference. I am stuck in traffic, but I'm still meeting people. A son and his mother are traveling together. Very nice. So he was telling about the bike, maps, all of the setup and everything. So since we are stuck in traffic, I went to them and started chatting. Yeah, but it's pretty hot. It's 25 degrees C, and the reason I left in the afternoon is for it to be a bit warm, because Keelong it shows 1 degree C now, and 2 is the warmest it would get there. I was recording what's behind me all this time, but I think it's a mistake here to not record what's ahead, so wait for a quick transition. Hope you all understand what I was talking about. Do you see this fountain? That looks pretty amazing. I don't want to record myself while it is there. Maybe I should get a dual camera setup, but I'm too poor for all of this now, so maybe some other time. Oh no, I put the fuel X on 5, I think. I don't feel the power. Still feels laggy. Follow speed limits. It's 40 km/h. And this is coming back. Atal Tunnel 11 kilometers, Darcha 88. Approaching the longest highway tunnel of the world, about 10,000 feet. See a Thar, it's far. I put Fuel X Pro at the lowest setting so that I can feel the difference. It's now at 0 or 1, the lowest setting. We are entering into Atal Tunnel now. The temperature difference is going to be crazy. It's kind of warm here. We would move to extremely cold once we cross the tunnel, but it's very far, like very long. I can't capture all of it, so I'll stop after a while and continue again. Oh shit, I have an ND filter, so I'm not sure if anything is getting captured in the first place. We are at the 3/4 part of the tunnel. We are still 2.5 kilometers away from the north portal. But you definitely have to appreciate this engineering. Imagine, why do you even have to imagine? See, tunneling down a giant mountain, and that tunnel is almost 10 kilometers long. Keeps the two valleys connected. Without this, you would always have to go on top of Rohtang Pass, and it could be snow covered, or there could be avalanche, any of that stuff, and you would lose connectivity to the other portion. But this makes sure that you're always connected. I think to the left there is Sisu, there is Koksar Valley. We see our first Chule signboard. Yup, there is a lot of difference in the weather. This is Sisu Valley. I very vividly remember this part from my last trip. Yeah, all green, like you would see snow until, like if you are coming from Leh or any of that sides of it, you would see snow until here, and here you would see the greenery, full green valley. I'm not doing a really good shifting, but my bike is engineered pretty well to tolerate such bad riders. I'm also short shifting. I know I'm short shifting, but I'm very much used to it now. He is getting new roads. Less adventures, guys. The more time you wait, the less adventures that would be remaining. Looks like a movie chase scene with wind and rocks. If you see these rocks and wind, don't stay there even for a minute. Leave as quickly as you can. Long fuel station, there is sufficient fuel and there are no issues here. There is fuel, but there is a bit of a queue. Yeah, there is fuel in both the Indian oils. So I have booked that place for the stay, and the road ends here. From here it is a 5-minute trek. So, and I have this luggage to carry upward. Let's see if I would survive this. My heart rate now is 104 already. We are at an elevation of 3 kilometers, which is 3000 meters. There is that, and in the background there is that. Let's see. Made it halfway. That is the stay. I don't know. Will I survive this? Or will I fall? So with this 2 kilo riding boots, riding pant, all of this luggage, this is what I'm averaging it.
से आप?
मैं हैदराबाद से सर.
समर्स तो लाहौर के लिए सुपर है.
हाँ,
समर्स लाहौर सुपर है.
वहाँ पे 40 डिग्रीज 41 डिग्रीज है.
हाँ,
यहाँ पे 1 डिग्री है.
यहाँ लगाओ फिर. समर्स अल्टीमेट है. विंटर्स हार्श है काफ़ी.
आप विंटर में भी यहीं रहते हो?
विंटर में नहीं, जॉब करता हूँ.
क्या करते हो सर अब?
रूरल डेवलपमेंट में.
अब तो सरकारी है.
हाँ जी.
नाइस मीटिंग यू सर. ये मस्त है ना सर? कैसे बन गए ये?
मस्त.
कैसे बन गए ये सब?
खासकर समर्स में तो पूछो मत.
हाँ,
मेन सुविधाएं हुई है हमारे रोहतांग टनल के बाद.
हाँ,
जब बाया रोहतांग पास होके आते थे तब तो पूछो मत.
हाँ सर. वो टनल से पहले तो
31 मई या अप्रोक्सीमेट हमारा फर्स्ट वीक ऑफ जून में ही खुलता था ये.
अच्छा, तो इतने दिन खाने का वो सब कैसा होता?
स्टॉक करते थे 6 मंथ के लिए विंटर्स में, खासकर अक्टूबर.
अच्छा,
6 मंथ के लिए स्टॉक सारा.
अच्छा.
वेजिटेबल का कोई.
हाँ, अभी तो सब है सर.
अब तो सब है.
कैरेट, कैप्सिकम
सुविधाएं.
सब है.
खासकर 2020 से तो काफ़ी. बाकी फिर आप अपने सुझाव दो.
हाँ.
आपको हैदराबाद कैसा लगा और यहाँ लाहौल कैसा?
मस्त है सर यहाँ पे तो.
नहीं, समर्स के लिए तो मैं बोलता हूँ
हाँ,
अल्टीमेट.
ये तो बहुत है, बहुत अच्छा है.
-1 +1 के आसपास आजकल
हाँ, आज
टेम्परेचर
का
है.
टेम्परेचर है सर. तो स्नो होगा, बर्फ गिरेगी
हाँ, अभी गिरेगी.
रात
अगर
में?
2-3 दिन अगर मौसम ख़राब रहे, बारिश रहे, तो उसके बाद स्नोफॉल हो सकती है. टेम्परेचर जैसे माइनस में जाने पर स्नोफॉल पर वो होंगे हाई रीजेस में ही.
अच्छा, यहाँ पे नहीं.
हाँ, बेली में नहीं,
अच्छा,
रीजेस में ही होंगे.
नाइस.
बाकी आओ, लोगों को भी बोलो, मोटिवेट करो. लाहौल
हाँ,
एक बार
सर.
अवश्य आए घूमने के लिए.
कम सी दिस ब्यूटीफुल प्लेस.